welcome to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, I'm not going to ask you to click like just yet. I'm not going to ask you to subscribe. I am going to ask you to hang out with me. This is not going to be a long video, so just check the video out. Hang out with me. Now, to my new subscribers, oh my goodness, you all have blown me away. I had no idea that you all were going to react so well to my very first tutorial. Thank you so much. If I would have known, I would have been made that tutorial. I had no idea. Thank you all. So the reason I am making this video is to just kind of let you all know what you can expect from here forward. I know I did an intro video. If you haven't seen it, you can go back and watch it. But I wanted to let you all know what adjustments I'm making and what you can expect from here forward in the near future, okay? Okay, so for the very near future, I am going to do what I call ABC tutorials, and that stands for Absolute Beginner Crochet Tutorials. Y'all see what I did right now? Y'all see that? ABC, y'all see, okay. Y'all don't pay me no mind. Okay, so I am going to make this series for those that have never picked up a crochet hook or yarn, okay? Now, in the mix of doing that, I am also going to do, just more tutorials as well. So don't worry, I'm not just going to take you all the way back, but I am going to offer that because I feel that it's needed, because I'm always telling you what stitches you're going to need to know for the tutorial. So I want to make sure that I've shown you how to do those stitches. Now I am asking that you please support those ABC tutorials, because you may learn something new. And also those tutorials will be very short. And just remember, I am going to mix in regular tutorials along with the ABC tutorials. So I won't just be taking you all the way back. Now, let's talk about the travel. So as far as travel goes, I do still plan on doing some travel videos, just like I said in the beginning. But I want to make sure from here going forward that I incorporate crochet in some type of way. If you go back and you look at my travel videos, you'll notice that they did not do very well. So because of that, I am going to give my people, because y'all my people now, y'all know that, y'all my people now. I am going to give you all what you all are showing me that you want. I am going to make sure that all of my travel videos have crochet in them in some type of way. So I want you all to also go back, please, and look at the anniversary video that my husband and I did, because that video did not do good. So I did not do part 2. It was only part 1. Now, if you go back and you watch that video and you want part 2, please put it down in the comments, okay? You can put it in the comments of that video. And I will, if I get enough people saying they want part 2, I will do a part 2 of that video. But if I don't, I won't worry about it. You all, this is still something I am learning, okay? I am still very new at this. So with all the editing that is required and having to mute out the all of the copyright music, I did not do part 2. I can still do that, but you all, I need you to let me know if you want part 2 of that anniversary video. So just to recap everything we talked about, we're going to do the ABC tutorials, and we're going to mix in the regular crochet tutorials. We're still going to travel, but we're going to make sure that we incorporate crochet into the travel. All right. Now, my new people, if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, because you stay here this long. You like what you see. So please go ahead and click like on the video for everybody. And then for all the new people that's just not tuning in, please subscribe to my channel. And I would like for all of you to click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another video, because y'all, we're going to have fun over here, right? We know we're going to have some fun over here, okay? So yes, I will see you all later on the next video. So we know what oh guys, I am working on right now. I'm actually working on an actual tutorial, okay? So, you know, just stay tuned for that as well. So once again, you guys, I want to take this time to say thank you, thank you, thank you. You all have really shown up for me, and I really appreciate it. Now, please, you all be a little patient with me because I am still so very new to YouTube. I have a lot to learn, but I am definitely going to do everything I can to make sure that this channel is informative and fun. Okay, I want to make sure that we all have a good time, we crochet together, we travel together, and I want to bring you all everything that I have to offer. I just need a little time at learning this YouTube thing, this editing, and all the things that go in, that goes in with it. So you all, I will see you next time. Y'all have a wonderful rest of your day, and let's continue to crochet and travel. Bye, everybody.